everyone, and welcome back to another review with Misty Vapor. We're going to continue with some juice from Storm Cloud. You can find her at www.stormcloudvapors.com. And the flavor we're reviewing is called Pomemelon. This is 6 milligram. So let's drip us some juice. I really like this juice. There's several reasons why. Okay. I like pomegranate and watermelon, which is what this flavor is. Obviously, the name Pomemelon should have gave it away. Now, I'm quite picky with pomegranate. If used too much, it has a totally different taste. If you use there's so many different companies out there with the flavor pomegranate. Some of them are good, some of them are bad. This one she's nailed it. Like, I don't know who she uses for her flavoring, but I really love this pomegranate. It is a nice, crisp pomegranate taste. The watermelon's nice and refreshing. It's also a really great watermelon. It's very well blended together. It's just an amazing flavor. I love it. Like, I can't seem to get enough of the pomegranate watermelon. So, I urge you all you fruity vapors out there, her line is pretty much fruity, and more fruity, which is a good thing in my opinion because I love fruit. So, definitely hit her up and let her know Misty Vapor sent you. And that concludes this review. So stay tuned. I do have another flavor coming up, and vape on.